Good afternoon. Hi everyone, it's Mrs. G. This is a quick email to students and to learning coaches just to kind of go over what the students need to do for math homework today in case there's any confusion. As you know, in our interactive notebook on pages 8 and page 9, we began working with a place value chart for decimals. What students should have in their notebook as of today is I had them slide in the number 769 and I had them draw a decimal point, 345 thousandths. Now we didn't get to reading and writing decimals yet because students are still struggling with the place value of them. So we talked about the value and how the 6 in the tens place is actually valued at 60 because it's 6 times 10. We will be discussing with the students about place value to the values of 10, tens, 100s, and so on. So we began to understand that concept by writing out what each place value means with the number slide that we put in. Now, of course, this would change depending on the digit that is in that place value. However, we needed some place to start. So I had the students start with this number. What I'd like the students to do tonight for homework is very simply, I asked them to write on the right-hand side, what do I remember about place value? I need them to fill that out. We didn't have time to do that in class. So what do they remember from previous years? Then, I would like them to write, what did they learn today? I'm not worried about spelling. I'm worried about the content. I want them to explain what they learned. There's many things that we learned today. What it means for value. Value and place are different things. And also, when we're talking about value, that we can talk about tens places and values and products of 10. And then the last section is the reflection. Now, the reflection area is where I'm asking students to kind of go outside the box. Think about what mistakes they may have made in the past and how they can fix it. They can draw a chart. They can write information that maybe they missed in class or maybe they didn't have a picture for. This is their area where they can write any kind of a reflection to the topic. Now at the bottom of the page, I did ask all students to put in the words, do I understand? And make a circle. Students were asked to color that in either red for they don't understand and need some more help, yellow for kind of understanding it but I need some more practice, or green, and green would be I'm good to go, give me a challenge. So please sit with your child today and look at their notebook, make sure they have all the necessary information, and help them to complete their interactive notebook. Writing and math really helps understanding. Now, in addition, I do want to call everyone's attention to Class Comm for today. Please take note. Okay, to get to Class Comm, it's on the left-hand side. When you click on it, Class Comm comes up, and it's in all of your courses. And to review what was done today in class, you look at math and you go down. And it tells you what lesson was completed. It tells you what we did in station work. What is their independent homework or independent practice work? These are the additional resources. And there's a parent check. Parents, please pay close attention to that. Okay? So, please make sure that you're checking Class Comm. You can scroll across and it tells you everything that we did for spelling, vocabulary, and then of course highlights certain things for science and history. Thank you so much. If you have any questions, just let me know.